In this video, I'm going to show you a secret indicator that no one else is talking about. And better yet, I will use AI to transform this indicator into the ultimate trading robot. Now here's the best part. We're going to do all of this in under 5 minutes. So step number 1, if you're on your computer, just head on over to chat.openai.com. Or if you're like me and you're on your cell phone, just download the app. It's completely free and it's available for both Android and Apple. No, not that Apple. This Apple. So now once you've installed this app, you need to create an account. No, don't worry, you can use your Google account and it's completely free. So now let's just break this down. In order to make this strategy work perfectly, we're going to need our main breakout indicator. Now to tie all of this together, we will add some seasoning to just make sure we take trades only when necessary. So I asked ChatGPT to create a MT4 strategy using the fractals indicator. And ChatGPT said, "Be sure to like this video." Okay, maybe ChatGPT did not say that. It said this instead. Sure, here's a basic example of a MT4 strategy that uses the fractals indicator. And then ChatGPT wrote all this code in just a matter of seconds. Now, the fractals indicator is one of the best breakout indicators I've ever came across. But remember, we still need a confirmation indicator so that we don't run into any serious issues. So I asked ChatGPT this. Is it okay if you can add the RSI indicator to this strategy? Because I would like to only take long positions when the RSI is below the 30, and I'd like to short the market when the RSI is under 70. ChatGPT replied, "Sure, let's do it." ChatGPT wrote a separate code for this indicator, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you how to stitch everything all together. Now, last but not least, we just need some sort of time block. And surprisingly, most new traders will just skip this part completely. So I told ChatGPT that I would only like to take trades between the hours of 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. Simply put, we don't ever want to take trades when no one else is trading. And again, I was given the code for this also. So now I told ChatGPT to combine all this code into one giant robot. I literally crossed my fingers for this part because I said there is absolutely no way some online tool is going to be able to write all this code separately and then stitch it all together and then it just somehow magically works. But this technology is truly amazing because it did just that. And I have to say, I was quite impressed. So now just do a Google search for MT4 on your computer and download that software so that you can follow along for the next few steps. I then copied that block of code that ChatGPT wrote me and I pasted it into the meta editor. Then I just compiled it in meta editor and I just transferred it over to my MT4 software. I then dragged that robot onto my MT4 charts. And that's it. Finito! It's that simple. We now have a fully functioning MT4 trading robot. And this robot can take trades with or without us, so that we can focus on more important things like subscribing to this channel or giving this video a like. I will see you in the next one.